Students, this question was asked in the year 2007 in NEET exam from the chapter Oscillations. A particle executing simple harmonic motion has kinetic energy k0 cos square omega t. The maximum velocity of the potential energy and the total energy are respectively. Student, what is the relation between the total energy, potential energy and kinetic energy? If the total energy is designated by E, then this is the sum of the kinetic energy noted by T and potential energy noted by V, students. And during the motion, simple harmonic motion, some part of the kinetic energy gets converted into potential energy and vice versa. And when the kinetic energy is maximum, that means when at the time when velocity is maximum, that is the mean position, the potential energy is zero, and at the extreme positions the potential energy is the highest and kinetic energy is zero as velocity is zero in the extreme positions. Okay, student, and in the mean position velocity is highest and hence the potential energy is zero there and kinetic energy is maximum, students. So in the process the total energy remains constant, and we know the formula for potential energy is half k x square, and that of kinetic energy, student, half k s square minus x square. So when these two are added, this becomes half k s square. This is the formula for total energy, mechanical energy, where k is equal to m omega square. Omega is the angular frequency, k is the force constant, m is the mass of the particle. Okay, student. So here it is given that potential energy, the kinetic energy k is given by k0 cos square omega t. What is the maximum value of cos square omega t, student? This is obviously 1. We know from the learning of trigonometry functions, the maximum value of cos square omega t 1. So k maximum, the maximum quantity of kinetic energy will be, student, k0. Okay, student, and at that time the potential energy is 0, student. So the total energy is k0 plus 0 is equal to k0. And when this kinetic energy becomes 0, student, k is equal to 0 at which point? At a is equal to x, when the particle is displaced to the maximum position or its amplitude, then its kinetic energy will become 0 and the entire energy will be potential energy. At that period, student, the V will be equal to that of the total energy or the kinetic energy, that is k0. So the maximum the energy and the potential energy and the total energy both will be, student, k0. So option C is correct, students.